Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. As I mentioned, well, as not mentioned before, Amuse IO is a distribution service that we use for a record company. Now, I'm the CEO of this record company, and I normally don't talk about the music side of stuff on here because this is not the music channel, right? This is not for us to go over that thing. But there's something big I need to warn artists about Amuse IO. My team has alerted me in some issues here, okay? Um, they have removed all our content from all the platforms. All right, but unfortunately, the issue didn't end there. My label's account, Skylight Records, has also been frozen on Amuse IO, and once again have failed to provide an explanation. They failed to provide us with an explanation on why they took down the music. They just said we broke guidelines, but they didn't really explain anything, really, right? Now, as this might be disappointing because, well, Amuse IO is very popular in the music scene. A lot of people, and I just wanted to share our experience as a company. Skylight Records and EBG Studios will two separate businesses working together, combined our experience with this, right? So a few days ago, I received the email from Amuse IO stating that music content has been removed from their platform due to copyright infringement claims. Right now, the thing is, these allegations are completely false. We have never used anyone else's content in our music, and we have used some samples with other departments and other companies, but we have always bought and purchased the rights to those contents, right? And we have always followed the guidelines closely because we are a business. We have to make sure we follow laws and guidelines because as a business that pays taxes, we have to uphold a good business standard, right? Just as well as Amuse does, right? However, the email did not provide an option to appeal the decision, and so immediately we went ahead and submitted an appeal. We provided them with necessary evidence to show that the music content was original and the claims were false. Now, we don't know exactly if it is allegations of copyright infringement or what it is because they just froze on the account and didn't really explain anything too much. So we're really unsure. Unfortunately, after waiting several days, we received another email from Amuse IO stating that the appeal had been rejected. They did not provide any further explanation or reason to why they had rejected our appeal. And just like that, all content that we have multiple clients that are signed to us, to our record labels, we get inquiries from artists all the time asking to be signed by us. And the ones that we do accept, they entrust us to make sure we take care of their music and that we protect them. And companies like this, we thought Amuse IO would be a good partner in this. And now, as if you're not a record label, if you're just an actual artist, I am concerned for you. And if you're going to Amuse IO, I would be concerned that you do not use that platform because they will just take your money and screw you over big time. And that is the big thing that we want to go over about, right? The thing is, all content was available on all platforms such as Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, everything, right? All of it's been taken down. Now, the music that we have trusted Amuse IO, we work with multiple companies and we even work with Apple direct artists, so we can even work with Apple Direct and some things. So not everything is messed up. Thank you. So what the main thing is, what we want to talk about is Amuse something that you should be using as a creator, right? Now, as you guys seen, I will provide some screenshots of the account being frozen, so if you guys don't be, oh, he's just making stuff up to try to make Amuse look bad. I have no reason to make Amuse look bad, right? So it's incredibly frustrating to see a platform like Amuse IO, which is supposed to be support independent artists and labels, treat us in this manner, and we left without any means to appeal or even communicate with their support team. No response at all. Our music content is available on other platforms. Now, faced issues like this before, and we've never faced issues like this. It's disheartening to see a platform like Amuse IO treat us in a manner without proper explanation or communication. And by diving in the internet, it looks like a lot of other artists have felt this way as well. Now, you might be asking, well, maybe Amuse, if you respond to this video and leave a comment, oh, we have gotten back to you guys. Well, at the time of filming this video, you guys have not gotten back to us. I just want to make that clear. If you have gotten back to us since then, I apologize. I'm sorry. I can't edit a video. We cannot edit a video constantly that way, right? So we're hoping Amuse will make this right. Right now, with our clients, they do not make this right, then we have to go to legal or any other issues like that. But I am sad that Amuse IO, we almost used for a year, and it was we're hoping that they would treat us right, but it looks like that's not gonna be the case. Well, they didn't know they were messing with a label. They probably assumed they were messing with one person, and yeah. Anyway, so guys, this is EPG Studios breaking the news from Skylight Music Records, our partner, and I greatly saddened to report on this news. But don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it.